Welcome back to Prepare, Minimize, Live. Today, we're going to take a wild shot at Live. I felt the need to buy a mystery box. It was $1, and I couldn't resist. So, I figured I'd open it on camera so I could show everyone what it is. I have no idea what it is. I bought it at Lowe's for $1. It says walnut, ebony, glaze, and highlight. I don't know what that is. It was $20.87, but I paid $1 for it. And I figured let's open it. Nice short video with some mystery in it. So, let's get this knife and cut all the tape. Okay. And it also has staples. So, getting a tripod for the camera would probably be a smart move in the future. If I find one of those for a good deal, I know I'll pick it up. Until then, leverage. And a shaky cam. I wonder. Ha ha ha. Not quite the same as a tripod, but 2 hands are better than 1. And over on this end, still a little bit of tape. And okay. What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, it's a piece of wood. It is a piece of wood. That is a nice finish on that piece of wood. Finished on almost all the sides, but not that one. Okay. I wonder. What is a 3-inch by 3/4 inch by 30-inch piece of wood going to be used for? I don't know. But I do not regret that purchase. That was a really fun experience. I hope everyone else enjoyed that. Let me know if you enjoy videos like this. I might find some more inexpensive boxes eventually to open. I don't know what they'll be, but I mean, this time it was a piece of wood. It's got a nice finish on it. I'll do something with it. Eventually I'll show some pictures of it, I guess. Until then, enjoy.